So next up, guys, we're just gonna do the second video on the Vermeer V5750 trencher backhoe. This is the backhoe portion. I'll have Isaac go ahead. He's gonna chop down the outriggers. He'll get you kind of a demo going here. Get that outrigger dropped all the way down. That outrigger dropped all the way down. So run the bucket just a little bit for you here. It all functions and smooths. It does have the swing to it there, back and forth, as you can see. And like I said in the other video, a very dry machine. Didn't see really any leaks on it when I was picturing it. Coming from a county, they would have fixed stuff as needed for sure. So, nice backhoe, coming from a good home. So, there's the quick demo, guys. Vermeer V5750. There's the backhoe video. We already got one on the machine in the trencher. So good luck, guys. The auction time in Old 20 auctions.